Hey, hey. Catch a case, don't snitch, that's Mando. Ride for your click, that's Mando. Rope hit a lick, that's Mando. Always with the shits, that's Mando. Hey.
Alrighty guys, so everyone gives me shit for driving an automatic. Well, I just got rid of my SRT and now I got a Scat Pack manual 6-speed. So you guys can shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? I don't want any more bullshit. I'm a true car enthusiast now. I can beat all the automatics with this driver mod that I have, right? No, I'm just kidding guys, but today's video I got the chance to drive a manual Scat Pack and get the true manual experience. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. You know, ever since I got the SRT, I was really curious as how the manual would be. And honestly, after driving it for a few minutes, I do have a little bit of regret in not getting the manual, because obviously driving a manual is so much more fun and engaging, especially when you have like a big 6.4 motor. It just feels so good to be able to roll the gears, and you know, all the nice noises it does, the pops and crackles. It's really, really nice. You know, it does take a while to get used to, obviously, you know, because the car is heavy and the clutch and everything. So I'm not the perfect manual driver, but I can get through the gears. What do you think?
Yeah, pretty well.
Not too bad, right? But what's tripping me out is the fact that the gear shifter is slanted, so I'm not used to that. I'm used to it being kind of straight. That's kind of how I learned manual. So having it be slanted is a little weird. It does take some adjusting to get used to. But other than that, I really, really like the way this feels. I mean, I kind of agree that muscle cars should come in a manual if you really want to enjoy the experience, because it makes all the right pops and crackles and right noises. But using the power when you have a manual is a little different, all right? Because you have to kind of blip the throttle, downshift, and then take off, versus the automatic, which will do that so quickly for you that you really forget that you need to do that when you start driving this car. So I think you should drive my SRT and see what you think.
The difference.
Yeah. But I want to go for a ride with you driving, because I'm sure you're going to drive a lot better than me. But yeah, so he came by today, he subscribed to the channel, and we did the eel wire install on his car. That's something that he wanted to do, and it looks pretty good. I actually really like it. It's because it looks very close to that color. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Gear, man. That third gear gets me every time. Does my driving make you nervous? You sure?
You drive it.
Okay, that's third. I gotta make sure. To you, let you do your thing now. All right. Okay guys, so here it is. He has a really nice setup on his car. It's very clean looking. I really like the way it looks. You know, he has the brass monkeys on white, sunroof, and the black spoiler obviously kind of pulls it all in together. Tinted side markers, tinted tail lights. Bitch please, I got this as a license plate. So I mean, I love the little black and white theme he has going on, and honestly white looks really good on these cars. Definitely a head turner for sure. It grabs your attention. And his tailpipes, he has them painted black, which they look good as well. The only thing for me is like he has really wide tires on here, but the way they sit on the rims is a little, it takes some getting used to, because mine are a lot wider, so it sits a little more flush. But obviously since the tire is so wide at 305, it's gonna sit a little strange for my liking. Same thing with the front. He has 285s going on, but other than that, it's a nice looking car. He has the windshield tinted, not too dark, but nice ride, man. All right, now you take me for a drive. So obviously when I'm driving someone else's car, I don't want to beat on it too hard or go hard, because it's not my car and I'm not comfortable doing it. But since it's his car, he's gonna show me how to get it done. Put my seatbelt on. Should I put my seatbelt on? Need it?
Or you want it? I pull the windows down, or
yeah, let's have the windows down so we can hear the noise.
Open the sunroof or whatever you want.
I think windows down. Let's do that. Oh, look how much smoother he is at it. Damn. So how long have you been driving?
Just for
like a month. You've had it for a month so far.
This car's just for a month.
Damn. You have 4,000 miles in a month?
Yeah, because I drive a lot too.
Jeez, bro. You really do drive a lot. All right, we're gonna go right and just go straight down. Nice open road. About to send it, boys. Here we go. Definitely a lot more dramatic than the automatic. There's a lot more going on, you know, a little spin here, correction, slamming gears.
It's spinning like dirt.
Yeah, it's definitely spinning quite a bit. Alright guys, so that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Diego's still doing his thing on my car. You guys will see that in another video. He's killing it. And then I got to drive a manual Scat Pack today, and that was a lot of fun. I actually didn't think I would enjoy manual as much as I did. So maybe in my future, I definitely need to pick up something that's a manual again. It just feels good ripping through the gears. So I don't know, kind of torn. The automatic definitely feels faster since the gears are so quick to move, but the manual is so much more engaging and making you feel good as you're kind of going through it. So it's up in the air. But let me know, what do you prefer, automatic or manual, in the comments below. Rush SRT, I'll see you guys later. Peace.